Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the mic test of the boAt Nirvanaa Duos. Now these are wired mic with twin drivers, wired earphones with twin drivers, and normally I don't do wired mic reviews, but recently I was using one of the wired earphones, and then someone told me that I can't really hear you very much, very nicely, even though the earphone was pretty expensive. So I decided on doing some wired mic tests, and then I saw the results, and then I came to know how different they are. So these videos will be helpful for people who use wired earphones for phone calls. So for them, they can actually see the videos and then see if the wired mics, the ones that I'm doing the videos on, are good for you for music and for mic also. So let's go ahead and see the videos, and then we will talk about it. So let's go ahead and start the test. So right now we are riding the bike without the helmet. Now when you ride the bike without the helmet, there's a lot of wind that will come in, and that is going to make it difficult for you to hear me. Okay, so now I'm wearing the helmet. As you see, much. The only difference is that the strap is keeping it straight, it's keeping it secure. It doesn't allow it to move much, so that will help. That will help in a little bit of wind noise reduction. Not much, but still a lot. Now let's go ahead and close the helmet, and then see how you can hear me. Now once you close the helmet, you would get an echo, and most of the time the echo is good. It gives you clearer sound. You're able to hear better. Sometimes echo actually causes a lot of problems. So let's see how much can you hear me. Hi guys, so we're going to do the water test now. So you can see all the water fountains next to me. Now I'm in Seasons Mall, and I decided on doing the test in the night because of the light. So hopefully you're able to hear me well. Okay, so we are walking inside the mall now. A lot of music going on. A little bit of people, not much. And hopefully you should be able to hear me. There's not much of disturbance, no wind, so you should be able to hear me. So we're walking outside the mall now. There's a lot of traffic, and the mall is on the other side. So should be hearing a lot of traffic sound, not much of wind. Hi guys, so we're doing the traffic test now. So we're going to cross the road. A lot of traffic. There's a lot of traffic here today. I chose night time because there's a lot of traffic at night. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now the sounds that you heard in the video are directly from the mic itself. So you would have noticed that there's a lot of wind sound that it catches. That's because of the weight of the wire and the mic. So it's totally opposite. Normally the wires are heavy, and the wire is a little heavy, and the mic also has a little bit of weight, but this mic is very light, and the wire itself, even though it's not a flat cable which catches wind, this is round, but still this flies. The wind just takes the mic away. So in the video you saw that the mic was flying every time. It was moving a lot, and it was catching a lot of wind. So wind noise is a problem with this. Second problem is the placement of the mic. The mic is too low. So normally the mics are around this area, just below your chin, over here, or little up, but they never go down lower than that. There are a few Bluetooth earphones that I've reviewed which are a little lower, and some of them performed well, some of them didn't. But generally, to get good sound, you have to be around this area, but this is not there, it's over here. So whenever you're talking, like if you move your head, the voice completely goes to a different direction. If it's somewhere over here, the mic goes with you. So anyways, that's one of the problems, but the mic itself is good, just that the placement of the mic and the weight of the mic. That causes a lot of problem. Other than that, everything else is fine. Now hopefully this video helps you. You would be able to decide whether this is good for phone calls for you or not, and that's basically it. I would be putting up the gym videos on this too later on. This is still in testing. I'm using it in the gym, and then we will talk about the gym review also later on. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video next time. Bye bye.